At the 2024 meeting of the International Association of Ports and Harbor Authorities, GSTS was recognized as a digitalization finalist in the World Port Sustainability Program for Advancement in Maritime Collaboration in support of UN Sustainability Development Goals. Decarbonization of trade routes is an example of a problem that no one party can solve. To make real progress, a sector that is notoriously siloed needs to work collaboratively. To empower maritime collaboration between multiple stakeholders, GSTS has been awarded a contract by Canada's Ocean Supercluster's Core Technology Leadership Program to advance the capabilities of its proprietary platform, OCIANA. Development in collaboration with Canada Steamship Lines, Montreal Port Authority, Laurentian Pilotage Authority, and ClearSeas, OCIANA's collaborative optimization solution will streamline vessel berthing through AI predictive analytics to support just-in-time arrivals and route optimization towards green voyages. Maritime stakeholders will benefit from adopting the collaborative optimization solution to enhance global efficiency and sustainability of operations. Benefits include real-time performance monitoring of global emissions, information on vessel movements and resource delays in real time, enhanced planning and coordination, decision-making intelligence for dynamic environments, and support for route optimization. Let's look at an example of how OCIANA facilitates real-time multi-party collaboration in a dynamic maritime environment. As a ship agent, on behalf of a ship making its way to a port, a booking request is submitted to the port. If the port has a Port Management Information System, a PMIS, the booking request will be received by the PMIS. In this case, the port user accesses the PMIS, and if the request is accepted, the booking request goes automatically into OCIANA. If the port does not have a PMIS, the booking request from the ship agent will be entered into OCIANA. The port user will access OCIANA and accept the booking request. The ship agent then receives a notification of the booking request acceptance. Once this booking request is accepted, the ship agent sends a request for a pilot to the Pilotage Authority. If the Pilotage Authority has a pilot dispatch and accounting management system, a PDAMS, the request will appear in the PDAMS. The pilotage user accesses the PDAMS and enters a 12-hour time window to arrive at the pilot boarding station, which doesn't align with the confirmed berthing time window from the terminal operator. Once the PDAMS is updated, the prospect automatically appears in OCIANA. OCIANA provides a notification of the 12-hour time window to the ship agent for arrival at the pilot boarding station. If the Pilotage Authority does not have a PDAMS, the request will go from the ship agent via OCIANA. Pilotage user will access OCIANA and enter the 12-hour time window for the ship to arrive at the pilot boarding station. OCIANA will send a notification to the ship agent. Ship agent then proceeds to contact the terminal operator to provide an updated estimated time of berth via the terminal's operating system. Terminal operator accepts the updated estimated time of berth, and this becomes the requested time to berth. At this junction, if the booking request was done by the ship agent with a port without a PMIS, the ship agent will recall the initial booking request and submit a change request based on the requested time to berth via OCIANA. Port user accepts the change request via OCIANA. The ship agent then receives an automatic notification of acceptance of the booking request. Ship agent puts in an order for a pilot via OCIANA to the Pilotage Authority based on the required estimated time of arrival at the pilot boarding station. Pilotage user accepts the order in OCIANA. Shortly thereafter, the pilotage user initiates a change request in OCIANA to provide the ship with the time the pilot will arrive, which is later than the original estimated time of arrival. Ship agent accepts the change as it has no impact on the vessel berthing window. OCIANA will then send automatic notifications to the seaway users on the change in the ship's estimated time of arrival to the pilot boarding station through the locks. OCIANA notifies the ship to slow down and arrive just in time at the pilot boarding station. The result is the ship moves through the locks, arrives to the pilot boarding station on time, with the pilot ready to get on board the ship, and all is smooth sailing through the anchorage area to the port. When the ship arrives at the port, it is just in time with a berth ready for that ship.